Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Can you tell what's missing today off my face? I really think my face looks pretty good. It's just been contoured, that's it. But we are going to do draping with blush today. We're going back to the 1980s, and I do remember doing this as a teenager, and I loved it. And so now that I'm 62, I'm going to see what I can do today to give me that really flushed, come together look, because right now it is still summertime here in Alabama. And so I don't get in the sun anymore. So now I'm going to create my own little blush, sun blush. Let's call it that. And I want you to learn how to do it too. So come on with me. So let me show you what I'm going to be using to do this. Now you can use a powder blush, you can use a cream blush, you can mix the two. That's just up to you, and I think I'm probably going to mix the two today because I just love both these colors, and I think they would be absolutely gorgeous paired together. So you choose you, okay? But this is the color Sisterly, and it is going away. It's a Younique product. I have it on my eyes, so I'm going to have a very cohesive look because I'm going to use this. It's already on my eyes. It's all going to come together so pretty. Now, this one is called Blush Beach. This is new, and this is a cream. Isn't it pretty? I love it. And this can be used on your lips. It can be used on your eyes, and definitely on your cheeks. So I think what I'm going to do is mix these two together. And I think that will make a beautiful combination. So let's do it. Okay, we're going to use this first. So I'm just going to add a touch right there, a touch right there. I also want a little bit right there. And you know, you don't have to put it up here, but I'm going to put just a little bit right there. Now I have 3 points, right? Look at that. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to blend this one out first because it is a cream. And then we're going to come back and we're going to add the powder blush over it. I'm going to use a brush to do this with. I'm going to use this Morphe brush. I love it because it's dual-ended. And we are going to just kind of bounce this in. Now, the cool thing about this is start minimal. Don't go on with a bunch because it's going to really be hard to blend out if you do. And so I'm 62. So I'm just playing around with this because I think draping is so pretty on the skin, and you really don't have to use contour if you don't want to. Now, I'm going to bring this more in through here because we have it also on the nose. So I'm going to bring this right through the center of my face. That's what I like to do. Now, I have a heart-shaped face, so you have to look, you know, because you want to keep this high. You don't want to bring it down. It's got to be up a little bit. And then I put some right here. But we are going to come back and we are going to add the other color, the Sisterly. See, that's beautiful just like it is. It just looks like I've got a flush of color. But Sisterly is the powder part of it, and it is a beautiful blend of colors. It almost makes me think of pearl a little bit. You know how a pearl has a gleam to it? Not shiny, but just a glow. That's what this is going to give us. Now here's Sisterly. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. If you can't, I don't know how long this is going to last anymore. I know it's going away. But there is another color that kind of you could probably get. This is Milani. Let me just show you this really quickly so you can have some options and you can see kind of sort of what I'm talking about. This would be really pretty too. See, they're in the same realm. So, I mean, this is probably still available. This will be available for a short amount of time or whenever it sells out. But I love this color and I'm going to use it. But I gave you an option. Back up. Okay, so let's grab the same brush. Let's dip it in here. Get a little bit on here. I'm going to tap it off a little bit. And we're not coming into this area yet. We're going to take this high up on the cheek. Okay, we want to bring it upward. And then I want to bring it here. Now, I did not add the cream there. Okay, there was a reason. because this is the final touch. I want it to blend and be accordingly like together. So bring it here and around. So that way, it just gives you that, oh, I love it. It's so pretty. Y'all just got to try this. I've kind of sort of forgot about this technique. And then all of a sudden, it's surfacing again. So there's a reason for that. It's because it's darn pretty, that's why. I love it. Now, I'm going to take a little bit and we're going to come over the nose. Just like that. And we are going to have that sun-kissed look. I'm going to put a little here too. I like it down here too. What do you think? Oh my goodness, that's pretty. Oh, it's very youthful looking too. I love that. It just looks like you have that flush of color. It looks very natural, and I think that's really what I love about this technique. What do you think? Let me think if I need to add anything else. I don't think I do, though. I love this. The only thing that we're going to add to it, of course, is setting spray so that it stays all day, because it's hot as Hades up here in this world in Alabama. I'm just going to tell you that now. It's been in the 90s for quite a few days. Oh, wow. Love it. Let me show you one last little tip. I just thought I was through. Now, we're going to, I might just use this end. You could take a little bit of this color here. And if you wanted to, you could add a little bit of color here. That's just up to you. I mean, I already have this on my eyes. So this is just an afterthought. You could just kind of blend that color. Don't put a whole lot of it, but just lightly tap some right through here. Oh, yes, that's pretty. Yes. I'm glad I thought about that. I was just looking at it going, it needs something. So play around with it. I think you'll love doing this. I think, oh, it's so pretty. I just love this look. So now we're going to set everything, okay? So I'm going to use Younique's Prime and Set Mist setting spray. And we're just going to do, oh, that feels so good. It's a fine mist that just lands right on your gorgeous face. And we're going to use my Revolution Fix and Glow Dewy Finish. I love it. It's one of my favorite products. And we're going to spray it into a beauty blender, which is moist. Yes. And we're going to bounce this across where we put all the luscious color. I'm serious. It's so pretty on. And this will help it stay all day. And you will not have to worry about it at all. Now, when this dries, you're going to keep this dewy looking glow all day. Oh, I love this. I hope you try it. It's such an old school technique, but very, very effective and easy to do. And you can get ready in no amount of time doing this. No contouring, no anything like that. I did do a little bit of contouring on me, and because I was trying to decide what I really wanted to look like today. So, but this is it. This is what I wanted. So, yay! I hope you go try it. Please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I love it when you come and hang out with me. And I hope I bring you something of value each time that I pop on here, or at least make you smile or laugh just a little bit, right? We all need that. So I will see y'all next Sunday. I hope you have a fabulous week ahead. See you soon.